We are now 31 days old. We are adorable little buttheads that abuse each other, abuse mommy, abuse me, abuse my shoes when they're off, try to steal blankets, climb things they're not supposed to climb. My favorite to play with, though, is honestly the gray colored boy, the one that's right there on top. Because you can really beat him up and he just gets excited. And he's so broad compared to everybody else. I mean, he's a very wide boy. Is that cheeks? This should be red collar. Or, yeah, that's green collar. It's funny because the red boy has the green collar. Yep, I was right. That's cheeks. That's red collar. There's the little butthead gray collar. Who are you? I think that's my girl. That's Doma. And there's the other little girl over there, waiting for mommy to show back up. Over there is blue collar, eating hair. I'm being kissed right now by green collar. Nope, there goes finger. And there's mommy just teasing them. Oh, hey, you guys want my attention? Not gonna happen. Claire, you're a butt. She's only going to come in for a minute. She's going to come in, walk around, get them excited, and then leave. Huh. That's blue collar came down off his bed. Well, you can barely see him. There's blue. That's blue collar. I'll let them nurse. Ugh. Get out of the way. She's going to go right out the room, though. Told you. Oh, no. She's staying for a second. She'll leave. And now they're all licking my legs. Guys. My legs probably taste like ash. I did a controlled scrap wood and cardboard fire earlier. So I'm sure I taste like sawdust and dust and ash. No. What's he doing? What are you doing, cheeks? Oh, did I knock you? Oh, the abuse. The abuse. The abuse is too much. The abuse is too much. Can't handle all this abuse. Nobody can handle all this abuse.